Hi Kayla, I've got the first few steps of your problem written down here. I've got in the box over here, I've showed you the parts that you have to break this down into. This one's a little tricky because dv is just one, so it's a little counterintuitive when you're looking for two different functions. So I've popped it back into the indefinite integral, and I'm just working that out for you over here. And this is just going to be the integral of 1 dx. And so what this comes out to is ln of 5x times x minus x. So now that would be the indefinite integral. So now if we go back to the integral from 1 to 2, I think is what they were asking originally, of ln of 5x dx, that's now going to equal the ln of 5 times x minus x between 1 and 2, and then you just have to evaluate 2 ln 5 minus 2 minus 2, or 1, sorry, 1 ln 5 minus 1. Okay, and you can work those out. It looks like your book is using decimal answers, so that's nice. You can just plug it into your calculator at that point. Okay, so I hope that helps, and if you want to, there are some appointments available on Thursday if you want to pop in. That's great. Otherwise, keep sending me questions by email. Okay, bye.